right, guys, welcome back to Exeter Estate. I just wanted to talk briefly today about some of the exterior finishes on the house. In this spot, what we're gonna have is we're gonna have cedar siding. So throughout the entire house, we've got a thin brick veneer around the entire foundation of the house, and that's to create the appearance of we've actually got a brick foundation, brick stem. What we're doing here is we're putting a piece of Z metal on top of this brick foundation so we can have a space for our water to kind of run off. We do have this membrane going all the way down and we have waterproofing, we've addressed that. But what we'll do is we'll attach this metal, we've got it stapled on, and then we're gonna take some of our Veriseal by Partel, and that's gonna go on top of this, and it creates actually a chemical bond between the Exoperm material and this tape here, and it allows for the water to kind of run off and have a way out. We've got furring strips everywhere, and this is going to allow for us to apply our cedar, have that air barrier behind it so we get that area for water to escape and get out of here. And another thing we've got, moving over here, the guys are working on installing this. We'll put a furring strip over at the bottom, and this also acts as a barrier for bugs, so we don't get as many bugs trying to live behind our cedar shake. We actually have another section that we've got an example of how it's going to be finished, so we can take a look at that over there. Okay, so here's an example of it finished. So you'll see as they're going up, they're attaching on these furring strips. We're lapping all the way down, so that allows water to shed down. Here's our transition piece. So it creates a nice clean transition. And this is actually a similar color to what all this will get painted. And then anywhere we have any kind of like mechanicals or electrical, in this case, this is low voltage. We've got these blocks right here. So we have a nice flat surface to mount to. And once it all gets painted, it's just kind of blend in and go away. But that's there so that we have a place to mount all of our stuff. It's a good looking product. Cedar, real cedar, as opposed to Brava, which we've already done videos on.